Hello everyone, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS Networking 102. I'm doing a packet tracer video for everybody today. In this activity, it is 8.3.3.5, which is basically configuring the OSPV3 routing on each router 1, 2, and 3. The IPv addressing is already configured. You are responsible for configuring the OSPv3, which means like we could probably do a ping right now and it won't connect because it doesn't have the OSPV routing for the IPv6. We can ping an IPv4 address and it'll make it, but not the IPv6 OSPF routing. IPv6 address by itself will make it, but not with OSPV routing. So that's what we need to configure. These are the three things you need to focus on. And so far I've configured router 1, because this is my second time recording. I actually meant to just pause it and do the other configurations for you on router 2 and router 3. But these are all the configurations I did for router 1, and it's the exact configurations I'm going to do for router 2. The only thing that's going to be different is router 2 is going to be 2.2.2.2. So we'll go through the configurations of router 2, which are all going to be the exact same router configurations for 1, 2, and 3, besides the router ID right here. So this is R1, we're going to get out of it, we're done with that. We're going to go into route 2. In router 2, we need to enable, and I'm going to take this right to the sheet where I configured all the commands before I even got started. And actually we're going to switch spots here. We're going to take this over here, make it a little skinnier. We're going to take this right here, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit on my Word document and see here's all the configurations that we need. Now just take a quick look at this. Unicast routing, OSPF10, all the exact same configurations besides the router ID. So let's just go through the second router together, and then I'll pause this video and we'll go into I'll go do the third router, and then we'll test the connectivity and verify configurations. So get into your exec mode, global exec mode, IPv6 unicast /routing. That's our first command, bam, just like that. IPv6 router OSPF 10. Process 10 cannot pick a router. Please configure manually. Okay, so that just means continue. So here's the router ID. I got a little confused on that for a second, but this is what it wants us to do, is do the router ID real quick. Do that, and then get out of here, and we got to do a process of clear IPv6 OSPF process. Okay. I misspelled clear. Okay, and on here click yes. You want to reset all OSPF processes. And now we're going to go get our interfaces done. Interface G0/0. Enter IPv6 OSPF 10 area 0. Let me double check that. Yeah, and you're just going to do that for each interface, and it's 0/0/0. Enter IPv6 OSPF 10 area 0. Enter. Did something wrong. IPv6 OSPF10 area 0. Okay. Sometimes very picky. S0/0/1 interface. Okay. I think it got us there. Let's do that again. S0/0/1 enter, and then IPv6 OSPF10 area 0. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, so now you've got all those done for number 2. And that's all the configurations that you guys had to do. And now we're going to be going, let's do a copy run start, by the way. I like to go all the way back and then do a copy run start. And now you know it's saved for sure. So that's the exact same thing I'm going to do for router 3, but I'm not going to let you guys watch me through that because it's the exact same thing, besides I'm just going to do 3.3.3 for the router ID. So let's pause this for now, and I'll get right back to you when we're done with this, okay? Alright, welcome back. I did all the configurations on router 3, and we're ready to just verify configurations on router 1, 2, and 3. I'm only going to do it on router 1. And all you need to do is show IPv6 route. And this is going to show all the networks that are directly connected or received and connected. And you can do the same thing on router 2 and 3 if you feel it's necessary. But we're just going to go test the connectivity and move on. Here's one way to do it. This might work on the first time because I've already tried to test the net connectivity, and yes, it did work. So we can just do simple PDUs right there. And this time I'm going to go into my command prompt and ping PC3 because I already pinged PC2 and I made it successfully. Ping 2001 colon DB8 colon cafe 3 colon 10. Ping that. Hold on just a sec, I had probably mistyped. Ping 2001 colon DB8 colon cafe colon 3. Oh, there we go. And we're good. So that is 8.3.3.5. Any comments, concerns, questions that you were confused on, please feel free to hit me up on my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.